Hi everyone, this is Teacher Jules once again and welcome to another Mathastic lesson. And for today's video, we're going to add similar fractions. And before we begin, let's have a quick review of what are similar and dissimilar fractions. Similar fractions are fractions with the same denominator, while dissimilar fractions are those who have different denominators. Let's start with the similar fractions. How to add similar fractions? For instance, we have here 1/5 plus 2/5. Let us have some representations of each fraction. 1/5, a whole, divided into 5 equal parts where one part is taken, plus 2/5, a whole, divided into 5 equal parts where 2 parts are taken. Now let us count all the parts taken. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 equal parts taken in all. That makes 3 out of 5, or 3/5. Now, how are we going to add similar fractions without representations? First step, add all the numerators. That makes 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The next step, copy the common denominator, which is 5. And lastly, simplify the fraction into its lowest term. And in this case, 3/5 is already in its simplest form. Therefore, our final answer is 3/5. Let us have another example. We have 3/8 plus 1/8. First step, add all the numerators. We have 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then, copy the common denominator, which is 8. And that makes 4/8. And finally, simplify the fraction into its lowest term by dividing both the numerator and our denominator by the GCF. And the GCF is 4. So we have 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So therefore, we have here now our final answer is 1/2. We have another example here, 6/10 plus 4/10. First step, add all the numerators. We have 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then, copy the common denominator, which is 10. Then, simplify the fraction into its lowest term. In this case, any number divided by itself that is equal to 1. Therefore, our final answer is 1. Another example, we have 5/7 plus 4/7. Again, first step, add all the numerators. We have 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then, copy the common denominator, which is 7. And that makes it into 9/7. Then, simplify the fraction into its lowest term. In this case, 9/7 is already in the lowest term, but it is an improper fraction. Always remember to change improper fraction into mixed number. So we have here now 9/7 is equal to 1 and 2/7. I have here 2 more examples, and if you are confident enough to answer ahead, then feel free to do so. Just pause this video and we're going to check it later. So first number, we have 3/8 plus 4/8, and the answer is 7/8. Next, 5/10 plus 7/10, the answer is 1 and 1 over 5. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, then please click the like button, and if you are new in my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated on my next videos. Thank you!